With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung has finally resolved the long-standing problem that S21 Ultra owners have been experiencing. The S21 Ultra still cannot change lenses while filming, despite being able to record 4K video at 60 frames per second from all 5 of its front and rear cameras. This will require you to pause the video you're now recording and start a new one at a different focal length, so it won't be a continuous video. Many Samsung customers have been irritated by this limitation, although iPhone users don't appear to be affected. It begs the question of why Samsung hasn't turned on this minor but crucial feature, which in the end might enhance the user experience. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the first phone from the firm to support toggling between cameras when the front camera records 4K 60 frames per second. The iPhone 15 Pro Max does not support this capability. In addition, the S24 Ultra will provide seamless zooming, a feature previously included in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, while capturing 4K 60 FPS footage. I am thrilled that the S24 Ultra will finally bring this capability to Samsung phones, as I have been waiting impatiently for it. A screenshot has surfaced, indicating that the phone can record 4K films at 120 frames per second. Additionally, Samsung has upgraded the S24 Ultra video cameras with the addition of a night mode for video recording. Samsung has the ability to overtake its current leaders in video quality if it can enhance its video processing skills. Let's move on to some speculations and leaks. The original spare parts for the S24 range, including circuit boards, a ribbon cable for the volume and power buttons, and a flex cable for the display, have leaked in real life. You go. I'm not sure whether you're interested in that, but if you are, let's talk about the Samsung S24 Ultra's color possibilities. Samsung provides specific hues throughout all of its online and offline sales channels. The S24 Ultra is offered on their website in exclusive hues that are less vivid and seem muted than those of the previous year's models, even if some colors are only accessible there. I just wanted to let you know to make sure you check out the colors in review videos or photographs before making an online purchase if you haven't seen the item in person. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.